Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. Today I'm going to show you how to turn on the Bluetooth in your Oppo A16. There is two ways to enable it. Just go to the settings here and search on the app here on the Bluetooth option. Click here and you can search of device which you want to connect. As you see, I have a few choice to connect it. There is your device name. You can change your device name to find your phone by other device, and there is advanced settings, so you can choose a visibility to other device, some display codec, standard or media volume things if you have some AirPlug to control your volume by your headset. And that's it. There is a second way to turn it on, is just to slide upper bar here, and there is a Bluetooth icon here, so you can tap it to disable it or tap it to enable it, press and hold it to go to the settings menu, and that's it. So I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment and leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey!